Look at a T-bone steak by sticking my head up a bull's ass, but I'd rather take the butcher's word for it.
Bull's ass, that's great.
Club 1341 presents Kellen Heller, Shallow Point, an Autumn Reflection, Thursday, March 17th at 8 p.m. Must be 21 ID is required. And best of all, there's no cover. That's Club 1341, Sevierville, Tennessee, Thursday, March 17th at 8 p.m. Brought to you by East Tennessee Music Scene.
Close my eyes, let the whole thing pass me by. There is no time to waste asking why. I'll run away with you by my side. I'll run away with you by my side. I need to let go, let go, let go, let go of this pride, I think about your face and how I fall into your eyes. The outline that I trace around the one that I call mine. Time to come for space, unclear where you drew the line. I don't need to solve this case, and I don't need to look behind. Close my eyes, let the whole thing pass me by. There is no time to wait, asking why. I'll run away with you by my side. I'll run away with you by my side. I need to let go, let go, let go, let go of this pride. Do I expect to change the past I hold inside? With all the words I say, repeating over in my mind. Some things you can't erase, no matter how hard you try. An exit to escape is all there is left to find. Close my eyes, let the whole thing pass me by. There is no time to wait, asking why. I'll run away with you by my side. I'll run away with you by my side. I need to let go, let go, let go, let go of this pride. Until this echo, 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 echo in my mind. Until this echo, 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 echo can subside. So I close my eyes, let the whole thing pass me by. There is no time to waste asking why. I'll run away with you by my side. I'll run away with you by my side. I need to let go, let go, let go, let go of this pride. Until this echo, 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 echo in my mind. Until this echo, 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 echo can subside.
And we shall teach rock and roll to the world.
The Hyperion and Tri-City Local Music presents St. Patrick's Day Weekend Party, March 19th with Below 7. Come out and celebrate the luck of the Irish and get your hands on some great food and drink specials from the Hyperion. That's Saturday, March 19th at 9 p.m. And as always, there's never a cover at the Hyperion. Must be 21 and ID is required. Brought to you by the Hyperion, Greenville, Tennessee, and Tri-City Local Music.
Makes you wonder why we're here.
And now, here's Tri-City Local Music's Double Shot.
Reflection of dark fills my eyes. What's it feel like to die? Emotions of this make me cry. Tell me what's lost inside.
Looking for a potion to save my life. Something turns darkness into light. But these pills they call to me, they're my only friend. I wish I knew. I'm sorry. Let's be on from this way. Somebody take this mental high. Your answers no one can. Somebody
The Hideaway, Johnson City, Tennessee presents Promise the World, Guerrilla Warfare, and a Fleeting Farewell, Friday, March 25th at 9 p.m. Come out for a great night of metal music. That's Friday, March 25th. Must be 18 ID is required. Admission is just $8. Brought to you by The Hideaway and Tri-City Local Music.
Hey guys, if you're looking for your next tattoo or body piercing from a safe, reputable business, then go see Joy at Infinite Art Tattoos and Body Piercings, located at 3415 Highway 66 in Rogersville, Tennessee, or give them a call at 423-736-2484. The best in tattoos and body piercings, it's Infinite Art Tattoo.
This is Joey Ellison with Infinite Art Tattoo, and you're listening to Tri-City's Local Music Radio.
The Casbah, Johnson City, Tennessee presents the debut of Patchwork Asylum and featuring Damage Done. April the 1st at 10 p.m. This is an 18-plus show. ID is required. That's April 1st at the Casbah, Johnson City, Tennessee.